In e-invoice era, if you are using Autocount accounting and if you are using Cash Sale, if your customer requests e-invoice, you need to get all the information from your client and you have to fill in everything. You only can provide them that e-invoice. Very troublesome, right? If let's say one day there's a few person, then you have to fill in a lot of information. Just tell you a good news. In revision 33, actually already solved your issue. You just need to print out your cash sale bill. Below there's a QR code. If your customer requests e-invoice, they can just scan the QR code and fill in the information and they will receive a e-invoice. Just like this only. How it works? If you want to know more, you can watch this video. If you are using Autocount accounting and you're using the cash sale function, if you want your customer can direct scan the QR to get an e-invoice, you must make sure you have done a few settings. So first of all, definitely you must use Autocount version 2.2, revision 33 or above version. Secondly, you must set out the auto email function. So the auto email function is under the e-invoice setting. Inside the setting, there's a auto email valid e-invoice setting. So this setting, how to do, you can refer back to my previous email. I already showed that what to do. So the next you need to setting is your customer. So meaning that when you come to your customer, you sure you have one customer called Cash Sale. So this Cash Sale, you must set this customer is under Cash Sale debtors. So if all this setting you have done, so the next you can start to issue normal cash sale to your customer. So I just do an example to show you. You can just create a new cash sale and you choose the customer cash sale. After this, you choose the items, what you want to sell to this customer. And quantity and the price, everything, you key in. So once done, as per normal, you just choose the payment method, how they pay you. So you just click on cash. And here, you may see this one, print QR submission. So if this is you already setting cash sale debtors, then you will see this one, print QR submission. So you just key in how much you receive a payment. So done, you just OK, and system will generate a receipt come out. So I just preview to show you. So the receipt you can choose those format with Malaysia invoice format, and you can just click OK. So you scroll down, you may see that at your right bottom there is a QR code, and already right there, please scan QR to request e-invoice. So meaning that if this customer will write to e-invoice, you just ask the client to scan the QR, then they can fill in the information and they can get the e-invoice. So how to do? They just scan, okay? So they'll open a page like this, request e-invoice. So you just ask to fill in all the necessary information. You can choose that this is the individual or business. Okay, so like this is an individual, I choose an individual, then I just fill in the TIN number, the IC number, okay, the telephone number, address, the postal code, and the city and the state. So done, they just click on submit. So once submit, they will see like this, the buyer information successfully submit and wait email shortly. And after done, actually your system, the cash sale already become a valid or invalid invoice, depend on the data they provide. So you can see that this cash sale already a valid invoice. Of course, they will receive a invoice. So how is it look like? So when they open the email, you may see that they already receive a invoice email. So they can open, they can just see the download file. So this is the format you select inside the auto email. So this is a valid invoice. So they can click on this one to verify, to check is it a valid invoice. Yes, you can see that this is a valid invoice. So this is how you can use the auto count system and how you can use the new revision 33 to let the customer scan the QR code and they can get their e-invoice by themselves. Your cashier don't need to do anything. So I hope this video can help you, and please share this video to more of your friends to let them know that Autocount Cash Sale now can do this feature. So if your company would like to look for any invoice system like Autocount, you can PM us now. So follow our social media, we will share you more information regarding the Autocount and e-invoice. My name is Eddie, your Autocount software providers.